Welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Liabilities of past government creating roadblock. 3.5 lakh people affected by mining ban. Revenue loss of 1,500 crore rupees. Governor highlights in Assembly. Start functioning by March. Government introduces amendments to Act in Assembly. Prudent investigation reveals that 10 primary schools in state without toilets, 19 schools without drinking water facility. Father of a mentally challenged girl arrested for raping his daughter. Uncle arrested for molesting her. Elder sister lodges complaint with Madgaon police. And I-League action may not return to Vasco this season at all. SAG hopes for progress on the extended deadline. JFA member Savio Messias feels contractors should not work in a hurry. And now the news in detail. Governor Bharat Virvanchu expressed concern over the previous government's missed dates and huge liabilities that are creating roadblock for the incumbent government while implementing welfare schemes and projects. Governor was addressing State Assembly's winter session on Monday. He highlighted that around 3,50,000 people affected due to mining ban and revenue of more than 1,500 crore rupees is lost.
The previous government had left behind a current liability of rupees 1,500 crores. Despite such inherited crippling legacy, my government has introduced a number of innovative welfare measures. The direct loss on mining royalty is to the tune of rupees 1,000 crore per annum, approximately. More than 1 lakh people who are engaged in mining activities, directly and indirectly, have become jobless. The total number of people impacted by the closure has thus been close to 3.5 lakh. My government also intends to provide monthly cash compensation between rupees 3,000 to rupees 6,000 to those who are employed in mining-related activities and are rendered jobless. My government intends to spend at least rupees 15 crores every month during the calendar year as an interim relief to all whose livelihood has been terminated by supporting them through rehabilitation schemes. We are in touch with the Honorable Prime Minister and the Union Finance Minister to allow a special financial package to the state for supporting the rehabilitation of mining-impacted population.
Our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Goa Lokayukta will start functioning by end of March. Lokayukta Amendment Bill was introduced on Monday at the winter session.
On the matter of appointment of Lokayukt, the shortlisted name has been referred to the Chief Justice of the High Court of Bombay, and my government expects the office of Lokayukt to become functional by the end of March.
The Goa Lokayukt पहिली दुरुस्ती बिल 2013 सभागृहासमोर सादर जाल्लें आसा.
जुईज पळय हा तो रिक्वायरमेंट वाडयला. म्हणजे एक तर तो सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो जुईज आसूंक जाय किंवा हायकोर्टाचो चीफ जस्टीस आसूंक जाय. 16A इंट्रोड्यूस केला. दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टायम दिस वॉज नॉट देर. जातून भितर पब्लीक फंक्शनरी टू वेकेट ऑफिस इफ इज फाउंड गिल्टी 10,000 रुपया फायन आशिल्लो फॉर मेकिंग फ्रिवलस कंप्लेन. There has been increased to not less than rupees 1 lakh. It can extend up to 10 lakhs. That is not for complaints which cannot be proved. It is for false complaints. नाही amendment आता पास झाले की assembly झाली की 3-4 दिसा भितर येतले कारण this amendment need not go there. These are not amendments which requires president assent.
Speaker of Goa Assembly Rajendra Arlekar warned Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai for making baseless allegations against him. He has also appealed the same to the members of Legislative Assembly. However, MLA Vijay Sardesai was not present in the House.
श्रीत विजय सरदेसाय हांणी गोंयचे सभापती राजेंद्र आर्लेकर हे राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघाच्या प्रचारका कडल्यान आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या जनरल सेक्रेटरी कडल्यान सभागृहान विजय सरदेसाय आणि आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड हांकां उलोवपाक दिवचे न्हय म्हणून प्रेशर हाडटात, तशी तांकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दितात, अशा पद्दतीचो तांणी आरोप केल्लो आसा. अशा पद्दतीचे बेबुनियादी आरोप करपाचें धाडस तांणी हाज्या फुडें करूं नये. खरं म्हणजे हो सभागृहाच्या हक्कभंगाचो प्रस्ताव आसा. काही सदस्यांनी म्हाका तशें सुचयलें बी, पण आत्तां केवळ समज दिवन हो विशय हांव हांगासर सोंपयतां.
Our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Government continues boasting about high-tech education and facilities to students, but the condition of some government primary school in the state is still poor. Prudent's investigation has exposed that 10 primary government schools still do not have toilets and 19 have no drinking water facility. Earlier, Prudent's report had revealed that roofs of 59 government primary school buildings are weak and may collapse at any time. Watch this report.
Sources from the Education Department inform that some of the government primary schools do not have basic facilities like toilets and proper drinking water facility. Children go out of the premises or in open air during recess. This has raised the question of security of school students in government primary schools. Nearly 10 government primary schools don't have toilets. Sources also inform that total 19 schools do not have the drinking water facility. 15 schools from the south and 4 from north have to rely upon external sources of water. Many primary government schools don't have compound wall. Director of Education has issued circular on 17 January mentioning that schools without compound wall should make efforts to construct compound wall from their own funds. These guidelines were issued to all heads of government schools, government-aided, primary, middle and secondary schools in the state. While government issues circular to schools to follow security guidelines, it is neglecting its own guidelines. Why is the government neglecting its own schools? After rape incidents in Murmugaon, government provided police security to city schools, but not a single policeman is posted at government primary schools in villages. The House Committee under Sanandre MLA Vishnu Surya Wagh recommended CCTV camera in every school for the safety of students. But basic facilities like toilets and drinking water is still a dream for many. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
The tale of disgrace continues. Madgaon police have lodged a complaint against a 45-year-old father for allegedly raping his mentally ill daughter. Her uncle is being booked for molesting her. This was going on for past 3 years and it was exposed when her elder sister discovered the horrifying side of her father and uncle. Meanwhile, Jose Philip D'Souza has confirmed that Mormugaon Taluka Action Committee will go ahead with their Vasco Bandh on Tuesday in support of the victim in Vasco school rape case.
This might shame you for being a human being. An incident that has shocked Telaulim village shakes your conscience. Madgaon police have arrested a 45-year-old father for raping his own mentally ill daughter. Victim's uncle, who is 65 years old, is also being booked for molesting the girl. Elder sister of the victim girl exposed this whole shameful side of her father and uncle. Elder sister claimed that the victim has informed her that both were outraging her modesty from December 2010 to January 2013. Police have charged the rapist father with section 376 of IPC, 306 and 342, while other accused is charged under section 384, 306 and 342. Both are in police custody right now. Meanwhile, Mormugaon Taluka Action Committee is all set for Vasco Bandh on Tuesday. Jose Philip D'Souza has cleared that he will appeal people to observe the bandh in a peaceful manner. He has also alleged that police are trying to sabotage the movement.
29th बंद तर कोत्ता म्हणटा जाल्यार आमी एक पीसफुल कशें म्हणजे आमी कोणाक दादागिरी करना कोणाकडेन सांगना एक रिक्वेस्ट केला ह्या आमच्या मार्बंगोवा तालुका एक्शन कमिटीन रिक्वेस्ट केला की सगळे शॉप ओनर्स एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट जे कोण आहा बिजनेस कोण करपी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केला की 29 हें वास्को बंद जावचें म्हण आनी आयज हांवें चोयलां वास्को शहरान हिंगा पुलीस वचोन जे दुसरे मनीस वचोन तांकां दादागिरी करून सांगता तुमी तर ओपन बंद केलें जाल्यार तुमकां आमी तुमचेर आमी कितेंय तरी कोत्ता म्हणून हें नोटीस सेक्शन 149चेर हे सेक्शनाचेर कॉल लेटर धाडला हें धाडपाक कारण कितें हें धाडपाक हितून एक कसली आहा कितें चूक केली आमी जे आमकां हक ना आमकां रायट ना स्पीच वो कितेंय करपाचें आमकां रायट ना ह्या पुलिसांनी आयज हे भाशेन कॉल लेटर धाडून हे आमकां भिवपाक कारण कितें
Samir Bhatt from Madgaon with Surendra Madgaikar from Vasco for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.